How to use saved audio on Instagram Story. Open Instagram and navigate to the Reels section to find audio. Play the reel with the desired audio. Tap on the audio name at the bottom to open the audio screen. Press the Save button to save the audio for later use. Return to the Instagram home screen. Swipe right or tap on your profile picture to open the story camera. Record or upload your story content as usual without adding music initially. After creating your story, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Select the music sticker to open the music library. Tap on the Saved tab at the top of the music selection panel. Find and select the previously saved audio from your list. Once the audio is added, you can drag the audio timeline to select the exact part of the song you want to feature. Preview your story with the audio to ensure it fits well with your content. Make any final adjustments to the story or the audio placement and volume. Tap your story to add it to your profile or choose Close Friends for a more private sharing option. And that's it.